Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cash App for Business, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Cash App for Business, first, ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone or the Google Play Store for an Android device. In the search bar, type Cash App and press enter. Locate the Cash App icon and click on it. Once on the app page, tap the Install or Get button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After installation, locate the Cash App icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. Follow the on-screen prompts to select personal or business during setup. If you select business, enter your business details as required. Provide your email address or phone number for account verification. Cash App will send you a confirmation code. Enter this code when prompted. Create a secure password for your Cash App account and confirm it. Next, link a bank account or debit card to your Cash App account. Follow the instructions to enter your bank information accurately. Once linked, navigate to the Cash App homepage. This page allows you to send and receive money as well as manage transactions. Explore the settings to customize your business profile as desired. Review the features available for businesses, such as invoicing and payment tracking. Finally, test the app by sending a small amount to ensure everything is functioning properly. You are now ready to use Cash App for your business transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.